Food truck has arrived and they are open for business. They have excellent breakfast, something to drink, something to eat. They're right out the back door here. So you come by and grab your food.
I just wouldn't take no money on you know that.
I know.
So you want me to look at that thing around how much will that be? Bunch of big fat guys been sitting on it.
That's true. Better than the steel ones they could have had.
Sure ain't very comfortable.
Is what it is.
Like quarters in here.
I thought they had more.
See, he's not making it.
What are you on for?
Oh, third shift.
Yeah. See in your life, making thing in the museum, it's going on. Where are you trying to sell this whole thing? I'll sell some of it, all of it, whatever. What are you wanting for it? What do you want? It's him, grandson. I know you have enough to buy it. I'm sure you can buy it. You don't need You ain't got any 112 vans, do you? Anything like that?
No, the only van was a blue van here.
Oh, that one there, yeah.
I bought one.
My niece calls to buy her
Black with gold stripes with an 07.
Here's what stuff. I looked it up
I was gonna say, I was just looking at that. Might have to charge the delivery fee. Yeah, he's into the whole diorama stuff and everything. I buy out like people's collections. I get them all and all stuff. Appreciate you guys. Thank you. Same here. You will enjoy it.
They had two spilled on it, whatever. You know, put the cars.
Ain't gonna mess you up, right? I don't think
It's actually pretty sturdy.
That wasn't on the list of things to see. Last year we went down, they had listed a whole short. We went to the place. Oh, I heard about that. I mean, we went through us. We were certain. So, yeah, so that's about an hour and a half like northeast.
Kind of northeast of Cartersville, just slightly north, but mostly east.
That might not be a bad thing to go to.
Well, like on a Friday, absolutely.
Yeah.
That's my plan. I'm gonna go there Friday and see what's there. Scott, that's over there under the TV, he's from like Fort Wayne, I think. He goes down there. He told me about it a year.
Still trying to see what you need water.
This nothing new. My new stuff's still on the bench. Trying to hurry up before it's
How much new this?
If this works, this is saved me about $500. Oh, I got you on deck. Man, okay, I appreciate that, man.
Is this the Atlantis?
I don't know.
Enjoyable.
Take 35.
Well, hold on, let me look around. Where you want me going? You said that last time.
Yeah, okay. All right. Well, thank you.
It's around here somewhere.
And when I got corrected, no, it was a house.
Well, it doesn't make it any better.
You guys. Imagine when there was
You haven't really
alcohol
cleaned up
in
your mess
there.
there. Hey, do you want to check out that truck or just keep back and check her out? Sure.
This is new animal. Oh.
Yeah. Definitely. Everything
And that's real good shape.
What's the best you can do on this?
50.
I'd like to stop that.
Yeah.
$10 off any kit. Yeah. I mean, you designer, I have to have the square angles. Yeah. Evidently nothing.
This show is brought to you by the family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.